So, based on that,
Well, can I say something, Your Honor?
sure, Ms. Williams,
I
say.
went to her office. First of all, I had a seizure. She knows that I'm epileptic. And there were 2 appointments that were made. I missed the first one because they didn't want to provide transportation. The second one that I missed, it was scheduled for 12 o'clock. She said that the appointment was for 11 o'clock. That day I had a seizure. I had a young man that sat there and watched me while I had a seizure. And then on the 18th, on the Friday, I went to her office and I called her office. She said, I don't have a receptionist in the office. And she has not been.
Okay. Oh, so it wasn't her? No. So you didn't get a dishonorable discharge. She didn't get a dishonorable.
Okay, because I didn't see anything
Yeah,
like
she didn't.
that.
It was
Okay.
merged with the other ones. Okay, so you had an appointment, you had seizures.
So I had a seizure. Somebody watched me. She said that the appointment was for 12 o'clock, and then she said it was scheduled for 11 o'clock. So what I did was I went down there on the 18th to meet with her to see if whether or not she would see me, because I needed to see a psychiatrist. I really did. I needed to see a psychiatrist because I had already saw the psychologist, Sussman, Dr. Sussman, who had declared me competent. So they're saying they need three different opinions. Dr. Joseph White said that I was bipolar. Dr. Sussman said that I was competent to stand trial, and Dr. Bradley doesn't like me.
Okay.
So she did.
She's remanded into custody.
Right.
And Christina, get
And I have an
somebody
appointment today.
else to do other than Bradley, to do the evaluation.
And how long will it take?
What do you think? 2 weeks? 2 weeks.
And Judge, she'll be
As soon as she's,
released after that evaluation.
because we have Sussman, right?
You have an evaluation on file.
Okay, so we've got the Sussman eval.
No, hold on a second. I'm not done talking.
Yes, you
I
are.
got kids and let me go. I got kids and responsibilities. Fuck y'all. Let me go.
Let's go. Come on.
No, let me
Oh,
let me go. Let me go.
Quit resisting. Come on.
Resist.
I pressed the button.
Control.
I never pressed the button before.
We're coach 4. We've got enough units.
Enough of you guys abusing me and throwing me in jail like I'm a fucking animal. I got kids and responsibility. I don't have time for this trial.
Come on.
Bitch trying to accuse me of something I didn't
Calm
do.
down. Calm down.
I've had 3 evaluations. That should be enough to satisfy the court's arguments. Tired of these trifling judges.
Coach 4. We got 1, 2, 4, 6. You got some?
Get my purse.
You got it. Walk out the door. Walk out the door. Set it down.
Get my purse. Thieving ass motherfuckers.
You all right? Yeah.
Hold it tight on there. Just tight.
Shut your prejudice ass up. There's no relaxing to a judge that doesn't even respect her own goddamn judge.
Ready?
Judgment, she knows I've seen 3 psychologists, but that doesn't count. Sorry, bitch. I complied. Did you comply? Did you keep your word? Did you? Were you a woman of your word? Did I not see 3 psychologists? Have I not showed up 30 times? Yes or no? Swear before God. I bet you can. Compulsive lawyer. You gonna break my arm?
Ms. Kazemka, I think it's clear your client needs an evaluation. Oof. Okay.
Are we going to status check this?
We heard. 2 weeks. Well, Christina's gone. I would think that.
I think she heard to have a different doctor evaluate her.
2 weeks.
April 5th, 9:30.
If I was everybody, I would just kind of. We've had enough. Okay. Shelley? Cut the video.